My name is Amy Gentry, and I will be doing my placement in a hospice and palliative care facility. Most of our clients will be at home or in assisted living facilities. The reason that I chose medical social work as one of my electives is because I've always been interested in health. My undergraduate degree is in community health education, and I worked in a health department where I taught ergonomics at mills or factories. I would teach smoking cessation classes, smoking support groups, diabetes support groups, healthy eating, birth control classes, pregnancy classes, just anything that the public needed. I would put together a presentation. So I was not able to find a lot of work in that area because we are a military family. We moved around a lot, and so it was hard to get into other community other health departments as we moved from place to place. So I went to nursing school for a year, and that was about all I lasted. I did not like treating people who were so sick. I wanted to be something before they got that bad. And so this allows me to use that community health education, but to work more one-on-one with people for brain health and to work more on the social aspect. So I'm excited about that and want this medical course for that. I also have a daughter who is on the waiting list for kidney transplant, and so that ties in with medical social work. I have another daughter that needs a liver transplant, and then a little son with arthrogryposis. So the medical part is very near and dear to me. My theory that I like the most is attachment theory, and the reason that I like that is because of a personal experience. Again, I come from a lot of background of relatives that have mental illness, and so growing up I did not have a secure attachment, but I went to a seminar, and the person leading the seminar showed me an example of what attachment looks like, what a secure attachment is, and ever since then I've been hooked. And so I've used that with all 5 of my kiddos, and have had wondrous results. And so that's that. I look forward to working there with everyone, and hope you have a great course, just like I know I will. Thanks.